One day, Wizard Funling was bored.
I'm bored. What do I usually do when I'm bored? Huh? Oh, it's Edward. Oh, I remember what I do when I'm bored. He's the number 2 engine. So... now there's 2 of him. Oh, this is fun. I'm going to do this to other engines.
Meanwhile, Thomas was talking to 2 Funlings. So, who's your favourite blue engine, Funlings?
Edward?
What? Edward?
No, here comes Edward. Hello, guys.
Hello, Funlings. Hi, Thomas. Something's different.
I don't know what you're on about, Thomas.
Ah, I know. There's 2 Edwards.
Yeah, you might be onto something there, Thomas.
Oh, Wizard Funling must be bored again. We need to find him and stop him cloning engines. So they searched for Wizard Funling.
Ooh, stop. I have an idea. There. Ta-da!
Why do you have an ice cream, Funling?
Well, Edward is the number 2 engine, so Wizard Funling made 2 of him. So I put a number 3 on this ice cream, so when he sees it, he'll make 3 ice creams for us. That is a brilliant plan.
Oh, he's coming. Quick, hide.
Do-do-do-do-do. Huh? Ooh, ice cream. Hey, it has the number 3 on it. So... 3 ice creams. Yes, it worked. Okay then. Yum yum. Hey, he ate all 3 ice creams. Oh,
Sorry, Funling.
we need to stop him. Where did he go?
I didn't see.
Oh, well, let's start looking for him again then.
Wizard Funling?
Wizard Funling! Oh, here comes Henry. Maybe he's seen Wizard Funling. Henry, have you seen Wizard Funling? Oh. Uh-oh.
So Henry's the number 3, so there's 3 of him. Wizard Funling must be close. Nearby.
Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, Billy! What's your number?
I don't have a number. It just says Billy on my side.
Oh, how boring. Goodbye.
Billy, have you seen Wizard Funling? Yes, he asked me what my number was. He must be really close then.
So, how are we going to stop him?
Well, if he finds a really big number, he'll be too tired to finish cloning it. So when we ask him to stop, he probably will because he'll be so tired.
Yeah, that might just work. Now then, we need to find someone with a really big number.
Are you sure this plan will work?
Of course, you're the number 95. Now then, we'll just be over here hiding if you need us. Bye! Do-do-do-do-do. Oh, McQueen! What number are you?
95?
95? That's a big number. Oh well, I'll give it a go. Wow, so many McQueens. He's still going.
Oh look, he's tiring out.
Phew, 95 is too much.
Wizard Funling,
Uh-oh.
have you been cloning people again?
No? Yes, you have. Please, can you stop? Oh! Okay, I'll stop.
And soon enough, his magic wore off and everything went back to normal. So Wizard Funling returned to his tower. Until next time. Hi, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching my video. Please check out these other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.